Porsche Key Protection, your key to peace of mind. Your Porsche Key has advanced technology that makes it costly to replace. Porsche Key Protection provides security and peace of mind whether your keys are lost or damaged. The Porsche Key Protection Plan replaces your vehicle key if lost or stolen, provides lockout assistance, towing assistance, reimburses transportation expenses, and is transferable if you sell your vehicle. This comprehensive coverage has no mileage limitations and also provides 24-hour home lockout assistance, offers house key replacement and locksmith reimbursement, replaces additional non-programmable keys, and offers emergency message relay. Porsche Key Protection is available for purchase by itself or as part of a Porsche multi-coverage protection package on new, pre-owned, and certified pre-owned Porsche vehicles. The Porsche Key Protection Plan holds your key to peace of mind.